Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the AOCHUAN XPRO and the hohem iSteady X3 SE. Both gimbals promise to elevate your smartphone videography, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's explore their features, pros and cons, and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT comes in at $115, making it a premium option. In contrast, the hohem iSteady X3 SE is much more budget-friendly at just $69. If you're looking for a more affordable gimbal without sacrificing too much quality, the hohem might be the way to go. Next, let's compare the features. The AOCHUAN XPRO is packed with advanced options, including an OLED display, RGB magnetic fill light, and multiple shooting modes. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady X3 SE offers essential features like 3-axis stabilization and a detachable remote, but lacks the additional lighting options. Depending on your filming needs, one may suit you better than the other. Finally, let's talk about portability. The AOCHUAN XPRO, while feature-rich, is bulkier and less portable. In contrast, the hohem iSteady X3 SE is designed to be compact and foldable, making it an excellent choice for travel vloggers. If you're on the go, the hohem might be the better option for you. In conclusion, both gimbals have their strengths and weaknesses. The AOCHUAN XPRO is ideal for those who need advanced features and don't mind spending a bit more, while the hohem iSteady X3 SE is perfect for budget-conscious users seeking portability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.